you would be shocked how many people don't frequently actually clean their undergarments. Hey girlies, welcome to your weekly wellness and self-development date with your girl Katia. So if you're new here, we talk about all things self-care, wellness, self-development, you name it. And I'm having a lot of fun on this app. I know this is just like my third video, but I'm having a lot of fun coming on here, talking about things that I like and that end up helping you in the process. So, yeah, today I want us to talk about how we're going to get just a little bit delusional and romanticize our lives with little to no coin. I know the title probably says with absolutely nothing, but I'm leaving like the little just in case you don't have some of these items already like in your house. Romanticizing your life is like an amazing thing to do to make yourself just, feel happy and fulfilled. When I romanticize like little bits and pieces of my day, I tend to feel a whole lot better. So we're gonna start with the first thing, which is our beverage moment, which brings me back to, I think I forgot to mention this at the beginning, but you need to have something to drink for every one of my episodes because I want this to feel like a coffee date between friends. So today I'm drinking ginseng tea. It's like my latest fixation for like focus and memory, and it's really great so far. I think this is like my fourth day drinking it. If you haven't given it a try, please do. And yeah, you can have anything else that you want, matcha, a coffee, whatever just makes you feel, in your era, your soft girl era. So yeah, so the first thing that you should be doing to romanticize your life in, little bits of your day is have a nice drink. Okay, not the usual just normal juice or whatever. Like get maybe some lemon water or a herbal tea or a fancy latte, just something that feels nice, and put it in a nice cup. Okay, not just look at this. This is boring. Something nice and with a straw. I highly recommend a straw because there's just something about sipping from a straw that's just, great. That is my first tip. Have something nice, drink something nice with a straw in it. My second thing, wear clean undergarments. Always. And I know you're probably thinking, but that's something so basic. You would be shocked how many people don't frequently actually clean their undergarments. And a bonus tip is to actually make them like match, so matching bra, matching undies. I know nobody's going to see them, but like you'll just feel super cute and it's going to up your confidence from like 0 to 100 like real quick. So yeah, clean undergarments, feel nice, okay? Yeah. The third thing is I want you to pick a certain time during the day, maybe in the morning, because I feel like, yeah, there's just something about morning walks. Yeah, take a walk in nature. It helps you feel more grounded and just more in touch with the world. So it could be in the morning or in the evening, whatever feels right to you, just go ahead and do it. It could be for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, just until you feel grounded with yourself. So the fourth thing that you can do is dance while you clean. I know cleaning can be boring and exhausting, but when you put a playlist out there, like, yeah, you're that girl playlist, feeling like that girl while you clean, and like, you're gonna feel amazing. And it's gonna make it feel like less work. And by the time you're done, you're gonna be like, oh my God, like, I wanna keep doing it and I wanna go again. So yeah, and like, do those sexy dances, the ones that make you feel like that girl. My fifth point, which is use the nice stuff. I know we all have like those things that are tucked away, like that nice perfume or that nice dress that you always say you're keeping it for like a nice occasion. Today is that nice occasion, okay? Take out the nice perfume, take out the nice dress and wear it. Look good, feel good. It's gonna do a lot for your confidence and you're just gonna feel overall more beautiful and just amazing at the end of the day. My last point, talk to yourself like you're the love of your life. I know a lot of people tend to be a bit iffy about affirmations, but I love them. And I feel like they do help at the end of the day. So you can look at yourself in the mirror. If you don't find that cringe, go to the mirror, say some sweet things to yourself. Tell yourself that, you're that girl, you're that mama, you're going around doing everything you should be doing and you're acing it in life because you are. These are little things that feel like they're basic, but trust me, they do make a really big difference at the end of the day. So try one or two, or you could do like this entire list maybe in a day or a week, and I promise you, you're not gonna feel the same at the end of it. So yeah, you don't need $150 or way more than that to romanticize your life. Here are small things you can actually do and add to your day that will romanticize your life and just make you feel better, like the soft girl that you are. We've come to the end of this episode. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, leave me some love in the comments and make sure to like, share, and subscribe.